Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allah, Allahu, Allahu, Allah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm going to go to sleep. But before I go to sleep, I'm going to read the dua. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Now I will read the English translation. O Allah, with your name I die and live. Now I'm going to sleep. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, Mummy Jan. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's Fajr time just now, but I'm going to read the dua before Fajr. It's the waking up dua. Alhamdulillahi allazi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Now I will read the translation. All praises be to Allah who revived us to life after giving us death, and to Him we shall return. When you go to the toilet in the morning, you always read this dua. Bismillah, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal-khabaisi. Now I will read the translation. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from all evil and evildoers.
When you come out from the toilet, you have to say Ghufranaka.
Before leaving the home, we need to read this dua. Bismillah, tawakkaltu alallahi, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Now I will read the translation. In the name of Allah, I place my trust, and Allah, there is no might or power except with Allah. When we enter the house, we always read this dua, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and we always put the right foot first.
When you eat anything, then you say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
When it comes to drinking water, or when you're drinking water, you always sit down first, say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and drink it in 3 sips. A good idea to put these both duas on your bed. The sleeping dua and the waking up dua. Bye.
Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, 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 Allah.